Here's a clear, beginner-friendly, step-by-step plan to invest $1,000 safely and smartly. This works whether you're brand new or just want a simple system. Step 1. Make sure you're ready. Before investing, pay off high-interest debt, credit cards. Have at least $500, $1,000 emergency cash. This money won't be needed for 12+ months. If that's covered, proceed. Step 2. Choose your goal. Very important. Grow money steadily. 3-10 years. Stocks, ETFs, long-term wealth. 10+ years. Index funds. Learn investing. Any mixed approach. Low risk. Short-term. Bonds, HISA. Step 3. Open an investment account. Pick one. Brokerage account. Stocks and ETFs. Retirement account. IRA if eligible. Popular features to look for. No commission fees. Fractional shares. Easy mobile app. You don't need multiple accounts. Step 4. Simple $1,000 allocation. Beginner proof. Here's a safe, diversified setup. Option A, very simple, recommended. 700, S&P 500 index fund, tracks top U.S. companies. $200 total market or international fund. 100 cash or bond fund, stability. This spreads risk across hundreds of companies. Option B, slightly more active. $600, index fund, core. $200, growth ETF, tech, innovation. $100, dividend ETF. $100, single stock, learning money. Only use small amounts for individual stocks. Step 5. Buy, don't overthink timing. Buy during market hours. Don't wait for a perfect time. Long-term investing beats timing the market. Even pros can't time the market consistently. Step 6. Turn on auto investing. Set. $25, $100 per month automatically. Same funds every month. This is called dollar cost averaging, and it reduces risk, builds discipline, grows wealth faster over time. Step 7. Do nothing seriously. Don't check daily. Don't panic sell. Review once every 6 to 12 months. Investing rewards patience, not activity. Step 8. Avoid these beginner mistakes. Chasing hype stocks, all in on crypto or memes. Panic selling during dips. Constant buying, selling. What $1,000 can become. If you average 8% annually, 5 years, 470, 10 years, 20 years, 40-60. Add monthly contributions and it grows much faster.